Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Heidi, and on this video I'm going to do an unboxing on these two purchases, which are two handbags that I purchased. Well, it's more of an exchange because in a previous video I mentioned that I purchased the Palm Springs backpack mini from Louis Vuitton, and I ordered it online, and when I got it home I noticed that it had a defect, and so I returned the bag. So when I got the package I noticed that it had a defect, so I called Louis Vuitton customer service, and they told me that they could not do an exchange because that bag they're not really making it and they don't have any in stock. So what they can do is exchange for like another bag or do a return my money. So what I decided to do is do like an exchange for different bags, and that's what I'm going to unbox here in front with you guys. So yeah, I think we should start with the smallest box, which would be this one. This is the so yeah, let's go. I already saw the handbags in the store, but as you guys may know that you always see something, like when you're in the store you're kind of like excited and you don't really see if there's any imperfections until you get home. So hopefully, let's cross our fingers this time, because we know that Louis Vuitton and their quality control is not the greatest at the moment, and so it's up to us, the customers, to really inspect our items. And so yeah, let's do an unboxing, and then I'm going to carefully look over the bag and see if everything's okay. And yeah, so yeah, this is the bag, and it's the Alma BB in the Demi and a Bean. This is it. Super cute. I've been wanting this handbag for the longest time, and I actually purchased it about 2 years ago, but there was an imperfection mainly with the structure of the bag. Like, it was a little wonky, and so I had to return it. But this one is perfect. But let me just, to make sure, go over the handbag to make sure everything's okay. Okay, so after carefully inspecting the bag is perfect. Like, I love it. It's so cute. It's a classic. I love how versatile it is. And I'm surprised that it's made in France, like especially here in LA and the US. I mean, the majority of the handbags here in the US are made in the US. So I was really surprised, you know, pleasantly surprised that it's made in France as well. So yeah, I'm really happy with this bag. I can't wait to start using it, and like I said, it's so versatile. It can be worn from day to night, you know, casual, running errands, to nighttime, going out to like clubs or a nice dinner at night or in the evening. But yeah, I'm really happy with this one and how it turned out. Thankfully, everything is perfect on this handbag. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. But yeah, as you guys may notice by this big gigantic box, what bag this is. This is like the most classic bag that I don't have in my collection, so I really wanted to incorporate it into my collection. Oh my god. And look how it looks in the box. This is how it looks inside of the box. And then it has this big huge dust bag. And dun da da da. It's the Neverfull GM. Not the PM, not the MM, the GM. And this one also is pristine. This is the Neverfull GM size. And let me look over this one. Even though I already looked at it at the store, again, I always advise to inspect it again when you get it home, because you always miss some details when you're at the store, because you're always like excited and happy about getting a bag. So when that excitement goes away and you're in the comfort of your own home, you can really inspect the bag and see if there's any type of imperfections. And me, when I buy any type of luxury item, I like it to be perfect, because that's what I'm spending my money on, is perfection. If I wanted to get something that's not perfect and mediocre, then I would not spend it on luxury items. I would, you know, go somewhere else a lot cheaper. But yeah, let me inspect it. So I already inspected, and I'm glad to say that this bag is absolutely perfect as well. This bag is made in the USA, and I do not mind it. I really don't mind where the handbags are made, just as long as they're in great, perfect condition. But yeah, this one I already inspected is in great condition. I love it and can't wait to start using it. I'm just going to get a Samorga organizer for the Neverfull. So yeah, one thing I'm not sure what I should get is on the organizer, if I should get the MM size, because I've heard that if you get the MM size, it would still like keep your items organized, but it's still gonna give you a little bit of the slouchiness that, you know, you might want with a Neverfull. Or you can get a Samorga organizer that's meant to be for the GM size, and that's going to really make the Neverfull look boxy and stuff. And I don't know, I'm not sure yet. So I don't know, I'm not sure yet what size of organizer I might get for this Neverfull. But yeah, I can't wait to start using it. I think this is like a great summer bag. Well, here in California, it's a great all year round bag, because there's so many things, so versatile as well with these bags. I'm so happy with these two purchases. Oh, and with the Alma BB, the straps are inside of the bag. So I purchased these two bags with as far as price goes, I believe, because everybody wants to know, the Neverfull, the GM size currently retails at $1,400, and the Alma BB currently retails at, I believe, $1,230. I'm not sure about the 30 part, but I know it's definitely 1,200 and something. But yeah, I got these two purses or handbags as an exchange for the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs backpack mini. Unfortunately, they aren't making any ones, and those are really difficult to get. Maybe in the future I'll get one if I can get my hands on one that's in perfect condition. But until then, I'll be enjoying these two, and I'm really happy with these two handbags. And so yeah, stay tuned for more videos to come. I'm going to make reviews once I start using these bags and start to like really experience these bags. I'll let you guys how it goes and everything. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Oh, and let me show you guys. So this is my Givenchy that I'm currently using right now, and this is the receipt where I did the transaction for you know, the exchange with the Palm Springs Mini, just so you guys know that it's authentic and it's not a fake or anything. So this is the receipt, and so yeah. So yeah, this is the receipt where I did the transaction, and I did the transaction at the Beverly Center Louis Vuitton store that's in the Beverly Center, because it's a little bit bigger there. And yeah, the one in Rodeo Drive is the biggest one here in LA, but it's a little further away from where I live, so the one in Beverly Center was a bit more convenient for me, so I decided to go there. And fortunately they had these two handbags that I wanted. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye.